Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the CoinDCX application on your Android phone. So, let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Firstly, launch/open your Play Store, and inside the search box, type in CoinDCX and search. Soon after you come across this application from CoinDCX Official, tap on the Install button to begin downloading the application. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Soon after the app is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the application on your Android. So, that's how easy it is to download and install the CoinDCX application on your Android phone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.